Now, imagine this as the laundry room of your dreams. Well, my dreams. So, we'll clear out all of this junk and install wood panel walls, counters over there, the new washer dryer against that wall, and then right next to that, we're gonna install the new sink for hand washing delicates.
Right there?
Yeah. Oh, but not a regular sink. One of the really big ones. And then on this side, we'll have our folding station with the tilt-out laundry baskets and cabinets up here for our towels. And on that far wall, I'm gonna install that built-in cabinet with the pull-down ironing board that I pinned. You know, the one from the blog. You'll finally have a space to iron your shirts. Oh, it'll be like our laundry oasis.
Oasis.
I know, is it? Better watch it with that. The new WashTower is really gonna open this space up.
WashTower.
Come on, let me show you what I planned for the bathroom. Oh!
A new way to imagine your space. LG WashTower.